Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today I have a special little video for you guys. I figured it's a Monday, might as well start the week off with something light and fun, and something that I found interesting. I hope you find interesting as well. I recently reviewed a 1982 Mazda Rx-7 FB from our good friends at Lopez Rotary. And the beautiful thing about that car is that it only had 44,000 miles on that car. I mean, such low mileage. Super cool gem. Really, really cool. But in it, there was the owner's manual for a 1982, as well as this little packet that I've never seen before. It says Mazda Rx-7 Customer 10-Minute Maintenance Course. And so what I'm going to do today is read you guys the 10-minute maintenance course for the 1982 Mazda Rx-7. So this is what you would get from either your Mazda dealer or it would come from Mazda themselves, and this is how you would maintain your Rx-7, which is important because of the rotary engine. It says, number 1, free inspection service. 2,000 mile checkup. Don't miss it. That all-important 2,000 mile checkup is a part of the warranty on your new Mazda. Your Mazda dealer's trained personnel will inspect your new car from top to bottom, inside and out. They will make all the necessary inspections and adjustments under terms of your warranty to ensure peak operating performance. So, be sure to bring your new Mazda in for a complete 2,000 mile inspection. Your dealer's staff is waiting to serve you. It has this great illustration of someone checking a rotor, which is hands down my favorite part of this little pamphlet. So, number 2, periodic maintenance. Your new Mazda is a fine, precision-made machine. It needs regular attention and care if it is to give you years of solid performance. Proper maintenance means periodic inspection of all the car's vital systems. And your Mazda dealer's trained personnel can do it best. Treat your car like a newborn babe. Give it that tender, loving care. You owe it to yourself and your Mazda. Note, periodic maintenance schedule is in the warranty coupon booklet or manufacturer's limited warranty and service book. I think it's funny that they said treat it like a newborn babe, not baby. Well, interesting, they have a little illustration of a Rx-7 on a scale, and it seems to be staring up at it unhappy. Which is funny because the Rx-7 was actually a pretty light car. Number 3, check coolant level. This is the big one. Mazda's unique rotary engine has a cooling system that needs your extra special attention. Get in the habit of checking the coolant level at all times. Keep it between full and low, closer to full. Use only a special half and half mixture of ethylene, glycol, and water, which prevents freeze-ups in cold weather and guards against corrosion of aluminum engine parts. Do not, repeat, do not let the gas station attendant use any other mixture than this 50-50 solution. And never add just water. Keep a careful eye on the coolant level warning light on your dashboard. If it goes on, pull over to the side of the road, stop the engine, and check the coolant level yourself. Add the required amount of the coolant mixture if you have some with you. If not, head to the nearest gas station or Mazda dealer. Note, the periodic maintenance schedule is in the manufacturer's limited warranty and service book. A couple things here. Very, very interesting that it says don't let the gas station attendant add anything. I've never been to a gas station, at least since I've had my license, that offered to add coolant. Number 4, check your oil level. The rotary engine's oil supply is perhaps even more important than its coolant system. Check it without fail at every fuel stop when the engine has been stopped for a few minutes. If the level is near or at the low line, fill it immediately with the recommended 10W40 oil. The rotary engine must have an adequate supply of oil for full lubrication and cooling. Neglecting it or putting it off could lead to serious engine damage. Glance often at the oil level warning light. It should go on when you're starting the engine and then go off when the engine is running. If it stays on or lights up while you're driving, stop and turn off the engine immediately. Check the oil. If it appears empty, add oil before restarting the car. Otherwise, head to the nearest gas station. Don't delay for a minute. See owner's manual for oil you should use. Different types are recommended for climates with extreme temperatures. And then on the back here, it has a little certificate. It says, this is to certify that, fill in the name of the new owner, is a new Mazda owner who has passed the Mazda Consumer 10-minute maintenance course with full honors. This new owner has shown a high degree of enthusiasm and interest in this course and has acknowledged that a new Mazda must receive proper treatment and maintenance if it is to perform properly. We are confident that this fine new Mazda will be in good hands from now on and that it will receive the care and attention it deserves. Good luck and happy motoring. Well, first of all, they lied. It's only like 7 minutes. But anyway, this is a really, really cool piece of Mazda history, and something I've always wondered about is that when you got an RX-7, they told you to top it off. Now, they didn't tell you why it's going to consume oil, which is because of the OMP and things like that, but very, very interesting that they would sell you a car and then say, hey, here's this little booklet to keep it up to date. And I guess people probably honestly threw these away, put them in the glove box, never looked at them, things like that. And that probably led to a lot of cars having engine failure. So it's really, really cool to see that they actually gave this. And then there's like a certificate. It's almost like a birth certificate sort of thing. It's certified. It's a plaque. I might hang it on my wall. But this is really, really cool. I'm a little ashamed it didn't take me 10 minutes, but maybe I'm just a proficient reader and a Mazda enthusiast because I got through it so quickly. But this is really cool, and the late 70s, early 80s drawings that are found inside is absolutely amazing. Really, really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little reading. Huge thank you to Lopez Rotary for lending me this to read. I'm super excited to be able to even read this, and it's just such a cool piece of Mazda history. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.